The origins of cosmic rays, accelerators across the universe. Title: The origins of cosmic rays, accelerators across the universe. Introduction. Cosmic rays are energetic particles that continuously rain down upon our planet from the vast depths of space. For over a century, scientists have been captivated by these high-speed particles and Air origins. This article explores the fascinating origins of cosmic rays and the accelerators scattered throughout the universe responsible for their creation. Understanding cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are comprised of highly energetic protons, electrons, and atomic nuclei. These particles can reach velocities close to the speed of light, carrying an enormous amount of energy. But where exactly do these cosmic rays originate from, and what process drives their acceleration to such extreme energies? Accelerators in the Milky Way. Our very own Milky Way galaxy is home to several cosmic ray accelerators. One of the primary sources of cosmic rays in our galaxy is thought to be supernova remnants. When massive stars die in violent explosions known as supernovae, they release a tremendous amount of energy, accelerating particles to high speeds. The shockwaves generated by these explosions can intensely accelerate charged particles, creating a vast population of cosmic rays. Another noteworthy accelerator in our galaxy is the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, known as Sagittarius A, SGRA. Research is ongoing to uncover the precise details of particle acceleration near SGRA. Extragalactic accelerators. Beyond our own Milky Way, cosmic rays originate from even more extreme environments. Active galactic nuclei, AGNs, which are powered by supermassive black holes residing in the centers of galaxies, are among the most energetic cosmic ray accelerators known to us. These monstrous black holes, fueled by surrounding matter, generate jets of particles that can extend for thousands of light years. In these jets, protons and electrons are accelerated to extremely high energies, producing cosmic rays that eventually reach us. Another extragalactic accelerator known to produce cosmic rays is gamma-ray bursts, GRBS. GRBS are brief but intense bursts of gamma-ray radiation associated with the death of massive stars or the emergence of compact objects. These cataclysmic events release an enormous amount of energy in a short period, capable of accelerating particles to extraordinary velocities. Although the exact mechanisms behind GRB particle acceleration are still not fully understood, they are considered potential sources of ultra-high-energy cosmic rays. Cosmic ray observations. To study cosmic rays, scientists employ several techniques. Ground-based observatories equipped with particle detectors and cosmic ray telescopes have been established worldwide to detect and monitor incoming high-energy particles. Challenges and unsolved mysteries. Despite decades of research, many questions regarding cosmic rays and their origins remain unanswered. One fundamental mystery is the precise mechanism behind cosmic ray acceleration. Theorists and experimentalists are continuously working to improve our understanding of these processes, but the intricate physics involved poses significant challenges. Additionally, there is still no consensus on the exact sources of the highest energy cosmic rays, known as ultra-high-energy cosmic rays, occurs. Cosmic rays have intrigued scientists for over a century, and their origins remain a fascinating topic of study. These energetic particles, made up of protons, electrons, and atomic nuclei, travel at extremely high speeds, nearly reaching the speed of light. The question of where cosmic rays come from and how they achieve such extreme energies has puzzled scientists worldwide. Within our own Milky Way galaxy, there are several cosmic ray accelerators worthy of attention. One of the primary sources is believed to be supernova remnants. When massive stars explode in supernovae, they release an extraordinary amount of energy, propelling particles to high velocities. The resulting shockwaves accelerate charged particles and give rise to a vast population of cosmic rays. The supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, known as Sagittarius A, SGRA, is another notable accelerator. Researchers are still investigating the precise mechanism, but it is theorized that the intense magnetic fields and gravitational forces near the black hole may contribute to particle acceleration. A closer examination of the acceleration processes near SGRA is currently underway. Beyond our Milky Way, cosmic rays originate from even more extreme environments. Active galactic nuclei, AGNs, powered by supermassive black holes residing in galaxy centers, are among the most energetic cosmic ray accelerators known. Another extragalactic accelerator that produces cosmic rays is the phenomenon known as gamma ray bursts, GRBS. GRBS are brief yet intense bursts of gamma ray radiation associated with the death of massive stars or the merging of compact objects. These cataclysmic events release an enormous amount of energy in a short span of time, capable of propelling particles to extraordinary velocities. The scientists have not fully grasped the mechanisms behind GRB particle acceleration. These phenomena are deemed potential sources of ultra-high energy cosmic rays. To study cosmic rays, scientists employ various techniques. Ground-based observatories equipped with particle detectors and cosmic ray telescopes have been established worldwide to detect and monitor high-energy particles. Despite decades of research, many questions surrounding cosmic rays and their origins remain unanswered. One of the fundamental mysteries is the precise mechanism responsible for cosmic ray acceleration. The challenging physics involved requires ongoing collaboration between theorists and experimentalists to improve our understanding of these processes. Furthermore, the sources of the highest energy cosmic rays, known as ultra-high energy cosmic rays, UHRs, still elude scientists. UHRs possess energies that exceed any particle accelerator built by humans. Consequently, scientists speculate about potential extragalactic sources capable of producing particles with such phenomenal energy levels. The study of cosmic rays and their origins is an enthralling area of research that continuously expands our understanding of the universe. From supernova remnants within our galaxy to distant active galactic nuclei, a diverse array of cosmic ray accelerators are scattered throughout the cosmos. Cosmic rays have fascinated scientists for over a century, with their origins remaining a captivating subject of study. These highly energetic particles, consisting of protons, electrons, and atomic nuclei, travel at incredible speeds, approaching that of light. The question of where cosmic rays come from and how they attain such extreme energies has perplexed researchers worldwide. Within our own Milky Way galaxy, there are several noteworthy cosmic ray accelerators. One of the primary sources is believed to be the remnants of supernovae. When massive stars explode in supernova, they release an immense amount of energy, propelling particles to high velocities. The resulting shockwaves accelerate charged particles, leading to the creation of a vast population of cosmic rays. Another accelerator of interest within our galaxy is the supermassive black hole at its center, known as Sagittarius A, SGRA. Ongoing research seeks to gain a deeper understanding of the process. Associated with particle acceleration near SGRA. Beyond the confines of our Milky Way, cosmic rays originate from even more extreme environments. Active galactic nuclei, AGNs, which are powered by supermassive black holes residing in the centers of F galaxies, rank among the most energetic cosmic ray accelerators known to us. Another extragalactic accelerator known to produce cosmic rays is the phenomenon known as gamma-ray bursts, GRBS. GRBS are intense bursts of gamma-ray radiation associated with the depths of massive stars or the merging of compact objects. These cataclysmic events release an enormous amount of energy in a short period, capable of propelling particles to unprecedented velocities. Although the mechanisms responsible for particle acceleration and GRBS are not yet fully understood, they are considered potential sources of ultra-high-energy cosmic rays.